Leather Honey, the #1 best-selling leather care product on Amazon, was developed by our family in 1968. Millions of satisfied customers turn to our time-tested, all-natural formula to protect their leather. They trust our small family business and the premium products we're proud to stand behind. Whether you have new leather you want to protect and maintain, or old leather to bring back to life, our cleaner and conditioner are here to help. Caring for your leather is easy with Leather Honey. Simply dilute the Leather Honey leather cleaner with water. Apply the solution to a cloth and gently wipe down your leather. Once the leather is completely dry from cleaning, you're ready to condition. A little Leather Honey conditioner goes a long way. Squeeze a small amount of conditioner on a lint-free cloth, then coat the leather in a thin, even layer. The decades-old formula was developed to penetrate deep into the leather's pores and stay there. One treatment makes the leather water repellent and lasts at least 6 months. Once coated, allow the leather to dry a minimum of 2 hours, preferably overnight. If excess conditioner remains, gently wipe it off with a clean, lint-free cloth. You'll be amazed at how long your leather lasts and how great it looks and